My friends, here I am explaining you about the M9 pump, that is Italian vacuum pump, how it will run with the hydraulic system. You can see here a motor that is drive the vacuum pump. This motor is about 90 liter. This is gear motor, and this motor have flow 96 liter and pressure is 250 bar. This motor with the coupling attached with the vacuum pump. This one have return line. This is link line, and this is the pressure line. Pressure line you can see here. So the vacuum pump is run with the dry shaft. You can see that dry shaft under the chassis. That dry shaft is run with the PTO. PTO is twin gear. The motion of the PTO is anti-clockwise. So we keep the hydraulic pump clockwise. You can see that hydraulic pump with a low pressure and high pressure will come here to the diverter valve. This is the diverter valve. You can see the diverter valve, and this is the pressure line from the pump coming. And how we fix with the T, male, female, and we fix here one relief valve. This relief valve up to 300 bar, making pressure. It can be worked with a 150 liter flow. I fix here gauge. Basically, I close this line so the relief valve will open inside and it will go to the tank. Which one you set here? Okay, the flow will attach here, little amount will go here, and big amount will come to the diverter valve. Diverter valve, these positions we can pass to the tank. So the tank line is here, attached with the motor line, motor return line, not link line, motor return line. Link line would direct put in the tank, and then this line 1 inch is going to the radiator. This radiator, and this is a relief valve line. That is a relief valve line. You can see here coming from the relief valve. So radiator will go oil inside here. We will fix one check valve, so the oil will flow this way. When this will go flow here, it will attach with the T, and then this line is going to tank. This is the big tank. This black color big tank, 214 liter. So the oil tank must be bigger than your pump requirement. If pump is 96, the at least 3 times. But if you have no capacity of 3 times, 2 times must be. Yani 90 liter, the tank is 240 liter. Okay. When you put this vacuum diverter valve here, this position, the pressure will be here to go this way, and motor will run. You can see this line that go to the motor line, motor in line, and that is the return line with a 1.5 hose attached with here. So the pump will run. Here you can see the vacuum pump now is neutral position. When you put vacuum in a vacuum position, this is the vacuum position, the air in the atmosphere, when you put in the vacuum position, here has the tank is missing, because tank we sent for painting. If you use this is the hose, big one hose is attached with the primary valve. The secondary valve is there, red color, and then it will come to the suction filter and it will go to the pump. This is the vacuum relief valve we attach here near to the vacuum pump. So it's this relief valve is save the pump. If the vacuum is over, then it will pass from here. The air will pass from here, so the tank will be not shrinky. Yani ki. Okay, this is a vacuum relief valve. Okay, and when you are operating on this position, the tank from the air from the tank, it will go to the secondary go to the suction filter go to the pump, and then it will convert this air and transfer this air through the filter, drain filter, in the atmosphere. This is the filter. You can see filter is bigger, but other part we remove from here. So this is the vacuum positions. What is the vacuum pump is doing? Removing the air from the tank through the suction filter, and then it will pass to the atmosphere. So vacuum is created inside the tank, that is sucking the drain water, that is sucking the wastewater, sometime oil sucking, yani different purpose you can use that one. Now this is the neutral position of the vacuum, and when convert into the pressure line, the air from the tank will go to the secondary valve, primary to secondary valve, secondary to suction filter, it will go here, okay. And when I am making the pressure inside the tank, so the air from the atmosphere, you see the air from atmosphere, it will go to the drain valve. This is a drain valve, this is a drain valve, you see, this is the drain valve, it will go to the vacuum pump, then air will go to here to suction filter to go secondary valve, and then go to tank. So the vacuum basically two operation done. One is he removing air from the tank and create vacuum. Another operation is he take air from atmosphere and put inside the tank. So the tank will be under pressure, and that pressure will use to throw the water from the tank. So this is the procedure. If you have any questions about the hydraulics, you can ask me on my channel. Please subscribe my channel so I can more explain you about the hydraulics and about the vacuum system. If you have any questions about the hydraulic system, about the vacuum system, you can ask me.